Music uplifts the soul. That is what musically talented Church of Christ members intend to do in preparation for the 50th anniversary of the Church of Christ in the West.
Well, we're here to join for the INC music collaboration to inspire others. We're here to make my kids get involved. I want them to get inspired and be able to use their creativity to create inspirational music for the church.
Musicians, writers, and even aspiring musicians work together in creating various musical pieces. But no matter what genre of music these brethren are into, they are all united and motivated by love and faith.
Inspiration came from being in that point in life where I was sad and then God helping me, and so I just wanted to write about how God helps his children and he has promises, and that's for everyone in his church, and that applies to also the victories in the church.
Well, this event is very special because we are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the church emerged here in the West. So the concept is they're thinking about a good song that will inspire the brethren, even other people, and to see how the church progress, a victorious progression of the church from the very beginning, from the Philippines, and now all over the world.
As we have seen today, members of the Church of Christ came together to create something bigger than themselves, inspiring and uplifting music that will last forever. Yet another reason to look forward to the celebration of the 50th anniversary of the Church of Christ in the West. From Corona, California, I am Rizli Gamboa for INC Review.